Hi, today we're taking some honey off our 4-pack that we're featuring in our video blog. These honey supers have been on for 2 weeks anyhow. So first off, if you want to come closer, I'm going to open up a hive and you can see what we're looking for. This first one, this pellet was a rather varied strength and problems. The first one down here, we look at it, and the first thing we see, there's actually no honey in here. You come closer, you can see that nothing's been built out. It's exactly like it was when we left it. We'll have to check this hive. We'll go around to this other one in this corner. You'll be able to see, so you can get close, a little bit of cappings. It's whitened. This super is relatively full of honey. There's no capping on this top super, or next to no. They're just starting. It's all full, right to the edges. If it's this full, they either need more room. Well, that's just it. They need more room. So if you notice here, this is very wet honey. In the top, it's the last stuff they put in. We're going to be taking it off because we don't have a whole lot of choice. We have to take honey down below, closer to the brood chamber. It's going to be a lot drier. This will go into storage, a hot room for us, where it will evaporate some more and come down more. So the method we're using is a tip-off method. It's a tip-off method. It's something you can only do when there's an active honey flow on, which there is here. So basically we just take the supers from the top down, right down to the brood chamber, and we'll set them down like this. As you can see, the other hives have been pulled right down to the brood chambers. They're going to get supered up again. We continue to take these honey supers down, one after another, until they're down to the brood chamber. Katie, if you can come closer. See that? You can see a lot of fur comb here. This one is going to be a lot drier than that one I showed you. And if we pulled out a frame, they would be, normally I'm not going to be bothering pulling out frames because it kind of defeats the tip-off method a little bit if you have a bunch of sticky honey dripping all over. But for the camera, today we will. So this amount of capping usually will translate into our climate into dry enough honey that you could extract. So if you see this much, typically it's going to be fine. So I continue going down, down, down until I get to the brood chamber. They get set over there. They could come back in 8 hours. All the bees that are in there will have left their supers and returned back to their hive. I'll try to get a picture tomorrow morning. We're going to leave it overnight. I'll maybe try later today. And you can see, right now you can see a lot of bees. And we'll see how it progresses throughout the day.